Wynwood Island is a railway island, where the history expands from the past and into the present day, with many stories to tell. These are the stories of animals, friends, and families, and steam diesel and electric locomotives who were conserved under the almighty which was Sealining Railway. A time of innovation, motivation, and change. For friends, family, animals, and their adventures, and steam diesel electrics and their services. These are the stories of the locomotives and their crews who work hard, who bring friendships by helping, lending a hand, and simply cheering them up, while keeping their spirits high from their adventures. These are the adventures of the Sealining Railway. Episode 10, The Easter Express. It was springtime on Wynwood Island, and the engines of the Sealining Railway are working hard than ever before. They love this time of year of the flowers are coming blooming and wonderful birds chirping on the trees. Especially, most importantly, Easter. And what's more importantly are the Easter eggs, including the Easter bunnies itself. One evening, Daniel came to see the engines. Hello there, engines. I have some very good news for you. Tomorrow is Easter, so I need all of you to pull the Easter special all the way to the Bluebell Railway. You mean all of us were going to pull the special train to the Bluebell Railway? Not all of you, just one by one. You know, change of engines, like they did in the Victorian times. Oh, I see. It's just like the Flying Scotsman, like in those days, changing of engines from the Great Northern, then the Northeastern, and then the North British, right? Yep, but it wasn't until LNER was formed in 1923. Yep, Pity. So, the journey begins in Oth, with Isaac, and it travels to Wynwood City. Then the real Easter special has to go to Wynwood City all the way to the Bluebell Railway. Wow, that should be interesting, sir. Yes, indeed, Rose. Now, if you excuse me, I have to go. And he left. Wow, that would be so meow-tastic for us. Exactly right, milady, because this train is so special.
For the Easter Express.
Yeah, the Easter Express is a special train that runs from Oz by Isaac, then to Wynwood City, all the way to the Bluebell Railway.
Well, I think it's just all three of those ones by a chance. Only one died on one way.
Yep, Alex Gardner. It's just like the Flying Scotsman train in the Victorian times.
Yeah, so tomorrow I'm gonna bring some of these citizens from Oz right here to Wynwood City, right here. You got that right, Isaac. The next day, Isaac was taking the passengers from Oz to Wynwood City. When he got there, the Easter Express is waiting for departure. And this is the moment had been waiting for. The passengers disembarked from Isaac and boarded the coaches. Sal, BSABR Standard Class 7 Britannia, was given the privilege to pull the Easter Express first. V was driving Sal, while Mira, being as a royal detective, we'll be as a fireman. The passengers climbed aboard the coaches, and the guard and the porters shut the doors. And Sal was eager to set off on its journey. Take care of your travels, Sal. Remember, have a good time on your journey. Okay, thank you very much, Isaac. Soon Sal arrives at Cat City. Benny, the Golden Black 5, and Rose, the high-pressure prototype specific steam locomotive, awaits it. Hey Sal, you did a very good run with this express. Thank you very much, Benny. It's your turn to pull the train. Yes, I'll be as the back engine for the time being. And so, Sal uncouples from the coaches, and the two engines take their place. Benny was pulling the train, and Rose at the back. And so, the two engines are off. At Puppy Town, Petey was being prepared for final preparations to go to a final stretch to the Bluebell Railway. Wow, Petey, you look very splendid. I am, George. I'm just being prepared for the final stretch to the Bluebell Railway. Yes, but what happens if an engine comes passing by with the brakes hard on and subbing to the station? Well, I didn't pay attention unexpectedly, I guess. Oh, I see. I would like to see that. At Lineside Station, Benny and Rose arrived there. Milady, the V2, and Adam, the A2/3, is ready to take the train. Hello there, you two. It's your turn to take your train. Yes, and it's your turn now. Thanks, you two. We'll take care of that. Yeah, we should take care of ourselves right now. So Benny and Rose are uncoupled from the coaches. Milady and Adam takes over the train. All is going well, but then things start to go wrong. Driver? Why are you worrying? I don't know. Something's not quite right. Fireman, could you check it out while you're worrying? Okay, I'll check it out. When they found out, the fireman was shocked. We have no coal left! Adam was so shocked that he knew that Milady was out of coal. but still, he was getting full steam ahead. The lady, you didn't drink more coal. I know, but I forgot. But I had to continue on. This is special. Okay, I know about that. At last they got to Tomorrowland. In one move, the lady runs out of steam. There, watching them, was Alex Gardner himself.
Oh, hello there. I see you guys have driving so far.
Yeah, kind of. I already forgot to take on coal, but is this a special train that I have to pull with Adam?
Oh, I see, but you need to take some more like...
I understand, but this is a change of engines that we got there, right?
Yeah, this is...
Thank goodness for that. Yes, it's your turn to pull the train, Alex Gardner. So the two engines were uncoupled from the coaches. Adam has to go in the siding to take some rest. Alex Gardner takes over the train while Milady takes down to the curling stage. Alex Gardner was enjoying his life, pulling the East Express. He's having a good time on his journey. All is going well on the main line. Oh, does it? Whoa, my boy, there's no need to in a hurry. Passengers going to eat the food at the dining car, not wear it. Just then, Diego passes by with the suburban services.
Hey Alex, having some trouble with the Easter Express? Well, good luck on your troubles. See ya!
Diego pops away with the suburban. Alex Gardner knew what he had to do with it. When the signal drops green, and he set up without in a hurry. Alex Gardner sped down the line. He knew that the train was not running late, but he has to keep on time. He was always watching where he was going, at all costs. At last, they arrived at puppy time. Alex Gardner came himself into a complete stop, just beyond the platform. He was badly shaken up, and he wasn't paying attention where he was going. On the other platform, on the siding, the engine was watching him was P.T. himself. Oh, hello Alex Gardner. I didn't see you coming so unexpectedly. But you cannot pull the train to the Bluebell Railway.
Really, why?
Because change of engines, remember?
Mr. I see the gas.
Yep, that's exactly what I am, Alex Gardner. Soon, Alex Gardner uncoupled from the coaches, and P.T. uncouples it, and he was ready to take the home stretch. Thanks, Alex Gardner. Wish me luck. The guard blew his whistle, and P.T. sets off. P.T. arrived at the Bluebell railway station at fine time. Marcus is there, seeing P.T. has arrived. Hello, Marcus.
Hey, P.T. I see you have traveled already.
Yep, pulling the Easter Express, that's all.
I see, but you have troubles on your journey, right?
Well, kinda, yes, but we managed to pull the express ourselves by changing us ourselves.
Thank goodness. But you did a really good job with the express.
Sure we did, Marcus. Sure we did. And so P.T. told Marcus about his journey. Although Easter is more importantly for Easter bunnies and flowers as well, but also the express trains.